No oven, no cracks, just a deep chocolate cheesecake that slices clean and tastes like a bakery. On-screen text: nitrogen monoxide bake cocoa power. I'll show you the exact texture cues so it's never soft, never grainy, and always sliceable. On-screen text: crust gives filling, gives chill, gives slice. Full-fed cream cheese, sifted cocoa powder, powdered sugar, vanilla, a pinch of salt, and cold heavy cream plus cookies and butter for the crust. On-screen text: full fat equals best set. Mix crumbs with melted butter until it looks like damp sand, then press hard. A tight crust is the difference between clean slices and crumbles. On-screen text: press firmly. Whip cold heavy cream to firm peaks. When you lift the whisk, the peak should stand up and hold. On-screen text: firm peaks. Beat the cream cheese completely smooth first, then sift in cocoa. This is how you avoid grainy texture and get that deep, clean chocolate flavor. On-screen text: sift cocoa equals silky. Now fold, don't beat. Folding keeps the air in, so the cheesecake sets light, creamy, and sliceable. On-screen text: fold, don't mix. Fill the crust, smooth the top, and cover it. What you do now shows up in every slice later. On-screen text: smooth it now. Chill at least 6 hours overnight is best for the cleanest, sharpest slices. On-screen text: chill 6 HRS plus overnight best. And mold, then use the hot knife trick. Dip, wipe, slice. Repeat for bakery clean edges. On-screen text: hot knife gives wipe, gives slice. This is the best part: deep cocoa flavor, creamy cheesecake tang, and a crisp cookie crunch like cheesecake meets chocolate mousse. On-screen text: rich, creamy, sliceable. For the full written recipe, extra tips, troubleshooting help, and ingredient details, check the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com. And tell me, are you team cocoa only or cocoa plus melted chocolate? On-screen text: pinned comment nobakedessertslab.com.